सुनेगा एक लाइन कुछ ऐसी बोलेगा which will crack you up. ये बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है किसी भी एक्टर के लिए, किसी भी प्रोफेशनल के लिए आई थिंक.
Do you remember on the set of Vijaypat the first day when you met Ajay?
कई बार आपके साथ होता है, आप हर एक के साथ ये नहीं शेयर करते हो कि आप बात कीजिए ना, वो शूटिंग नहीं कर रही है, आप बात कीजिए ना, प्रमोशन नहीं कर रही है.
Trust me, two of you have got a crazy sense of humor. I know you have. I know you have a crazy sense of humor.
He also has. He has a quiet sense of humor.
Whenever I see you on screen, I just feel that when the camera goes on, there is certain magic.
हमारे घर में ऐसे लोगों को एंट्री नहीं है जिनका सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर नहीं है.
This is a moment that I've been waiting for a very long time for two reasons. One is because I watched Crew and Tabu was outstanding in it. I think we spoke about that. It's been a while since I've seen you. And you and Ajay Devgan starring opposite each other for a change after a very long time. औरों में कहाँ दम था. I want to read out two comments before we start this chat. Okay? One is everything is temporary, but Tabu in Ajay Devgan's film is permanent. That's love.
So nice.
And the other comment that is trending is 90s love stories are back. Manifestation is real. Ajay and Tabu can star in a film together. We've made it, guys.
Oh.
Talk to me a bit about this. Just the fact that for so many years, you and Ajay have got this love. Whether you are opposite each other, whether you are in a film, there is that excitement that fans have. Talk to me about that.
Yeah, I agree. Though the thing is, I don't think he and I are so significant about it in our equation. But somewhere we know that when we are together on screen, there is something that people like. I don't know if it's the way we are as people. I don't know what it is. You can't define it, I think. But it has worked for so many years. And I think it's my fortune. मुझे लगता है कि अगर आप ऐसा कोई शख्स आपके करियर में आपको मिल जाए आपकी जर्नी में जो आपका एक पार्टनर करे, जो आपकी जर्नी को पार्टनर करे, जो आपका पार्टनर रहे इतनी फिल्मों में और इतने सारे आपके इम्पोर्टेंट काम का हिस्सा हो, तो वो बहुत किस्मत की बात है. मुझे लगता है कि यू नो इट्स लिटरली लाइक सीइंग अ रियल लाइफ कपल, यू नो, and people rooting
Yes.
for them whenever we have come, even if we have not been like romantically paired with each other. So I think it's something interesting. I think people लोगों को लगता है कि कुछ interesting होगा.
Right.
And I think ये phase I think 2000 I think दृश्यम के बाद शुरू हुआ. When we did different films, not romantically opposite each other. मुझे लगता है कि बट उसकी शुरुआत और उसका फाउंडेशन तो 90s में पड़ गई थी जब व्हेन वी लुक्ड वेरी गुड टुगेदर. तो वो उसका आई थिंक मटेरियल वी हैड, तो वी कुड यू नो यूटिलाइज इट इन द लेटर इयर्स विद दृश्यम एंड भोला एंड गोलमाल एंड ऑल दैट. तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है ये मतलब ये बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है किसी भी एक्टर के लिए, किसी भी प्रोफेशनल के लिए. आई थिंक जब आपको वो एक यू नो पार्टनर मिल जाता है आपके मतलब मोस्ट ऑफ योर करियर के दौरान.
Do you remember on the set of Vijaypat the first day when you met Ajay? Because both of you, I mean, different mind space, right?
Yeah,
You're coming from a different background. Here you're on a film set.
Yeah.
His dad already is an established name. He's a veteran.
So with Ajay, I have known him since we were like 12 or 13 years old.
Oh.
Yeah, he is my brother's childhood friend. So we kind of grew up together. So I don't know him through, not that I know him through films.
Right.
I've known him much before that. So I think इसीलिए वो equation अलग है. मतलब I don't have this equation with most of the male co-stars that I have worked with, except him, because I know him from a different you know time, different relationship.
Right.
It's like your brother's friend. It's like, you know, one of your
So how was he as that? Like, was he like one of those, obviously how kids are in that teenage years or growing up years? Oh,
he was like this only. He's not changed a lot, except that he got married and he has children now. I don't see a lot of change in him. He always was passionate about cinema. He wanted to be a director. He never wanted to be an actor. He used to make these short films on video. So I remember him like that. So I think the ease and the comfort and that is there with him because I've known him much before I started acting or he started acting. तो वो बेस तो वो है हमारे रिश्ते की, इसलिए एक जो प्रोफेशनल एक वो होता है ना, कई बार आपके साथ होता है, आप हर एक के साथ ये नहीं शेयर करते हो. इट्स लाइक फैमिली ओनली ना, फैमिली के साथ यू डोंट हैव टू प्रिटेंड टू बी समबडी. And also I think because of his personality, he does not demand you to be somebody else.
Yeah.
So that's a very good quality that he has. Especially I think with me, he's completely unconditional. He's completely indulgent. And he never stops working with me. वो भी एक बहुत बड़ी चीज़ होती है जब आप एक दूसरे को प्रोफेशनली भी सपोर्ट करते हैं.
Yes.
और आप एक दूसरे के करियर में एक दूसरे का साथ देते हैं और आप एक दूसरे को नुकसान पहुंचाने का सोच भी नहीं सकते और आप एक दूसरे को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं. लाइक आई नो दैट कई बार ऐसे होता है कि मेरी कभी भी कोई इश्यूज हुई है कोई प्रोड्यूसर से या फिल्म मेकर से या व्हाटएवर, तो वो अपने आप को बचाने के लिए वो अजय को फ़ोन करते हैं कि आप बात कीजिए ना, वो शूटिंग नहीं कर रही है, आप बात कीजिए ना, वो प्रमोशन नहीं कर रही है.
He's like a man Friday.
But I must acknowledge and I respect about him a lot is that he never ever tries to come have any क्या बोलते हैं come in the way of my decisions or try to influence me. He does not, he has never ever absolutely, he has never ever tried to do that. He gives you your space and never gets into it. तो मुझे अब मालूम भी नहीं होता कि मतलब 1-2 साल के बाद he'll tell me मेरे को फ़ोन किया था तो फ़ोन नहीं उठा रही थी, मेरे को फ़ोन किया था. But he will never ever call me up and say कि अरे ऐसा क्यों कर रही है, ऐसा क्यों कर रही है. He's amazing that way.
You know what's also common between the two of you is that you have this, he has this whole aura or this image of being this very serious faced guy and he doesn't have humor in his life, and you have done films where people wanted to put you in that box. But trust me, two of you have got a crazy sense of humor. I know you have. I know you have a crazy sense of humor. And
he also has the quiet sense of humor. कुछ नहीं बोलेगा, एक सुनेगा एक line कुछ ऐसी बोलेगा which will crack you up, But yeah, it's a very interesting relationship that I have with him. We are very different from each other. We are completely different from each other, I think, and that's what is interesting.
Another thing that's very different about Auron Mein Kaha Dum Tha and which has struck a chord with the audience is the fact that when you watch the trailer or when you're watching the songs, you're getting a feel that the love story between you and Ajay doesn't feel forced. It feels very organic. It just feels like we want to invest and see कि भाई क्या हो रहा है इनके बीच में, what is their past and where are they going. Then there is this part of having age-appropriate love stories. That's again something that a lot of people on the internet are sort of championing, that bhai, for once there's an actor and an actress who are seem to be playing their ages, and there's a story that we want to invest into and follow. What is your take on that conversation, that perhaps people say that actors, older actors and younger actors or younger actresses in that space? Like,
I don't think that conversation is that, I don't think that's the focus
correct
of the conversation. I don't think that should be also. Where both of us are concerned and people want to see us together is because people, the audience has a relationship with me and Ajay on screen. They have seen us so many times together. They have seen us in different kind of movies. They have seen our comfort with each other. They see that there's something that works, and they see that there's something that is believable about the relationship, whether it is Drishyam or whether it is Vijaypath or Golmaal or Bhola or De De Pyar De,
yes,
or this. So somehow we sort of fit into most of the relationship equations in the movies that we have done. So I think people are also invested in Ajay and me as a couple. So that's what makes it more interesting for them, and that's what makes them want to watch us together on screen.
Right.
To think that they want us together.
Right.
So that's the thing, and I don't think age it's not about older people falling in love and we should celebrate ke older actors. So I don't see, because I think even if we are talking about that, it's sort of being ageist about love and romance. It's a story that required somebody like him and somebody like me, and to play the journey of these characters. But definitely romance and the depiction of romance and love has gone through a huge change, growth in cinema, and the way we look at romance, whether we're talking about young people romancing, or middle-aged people romancing, or 30-year-olds or 40-year-olds or 80-year-olds or whatever. I think it's for the simple reason that there is a space for many kinds of stories, and there is an audience for mostly what we are doing now, especially I think with the advent of OTT and television. People are more open to, at least they are being fed more different stuff. But that's been happening for a few years now, I should say.
Tell me, the title says Auron mein kahan dum tha, okay? Whenever I see you on screen, I just feel that when the camera goes on, there is certain magic that just happens. You can't put a finger and say she has this technique and formula that she uses. It just got gifted, right? But on days when you don't feel that from within and you're on a film set and maybe you're dealing with something on your own, how do you switch on, switch off? Because I want to play around Auron mein kahan dum tha, that whole feeling of having dum. And how does an individual sort of navigate or bifurcate personal life and professional life? And
you can't. I don't understand the concept of, it's not possible for you, and you don't need to do it either. I don't think it's humanly possible, because your professional self is also your personal self. You are just one human being that is coming and acting in front of the camera, or if you're a doctor, you're performing a surgery and all that. So I don't believe, and I don't think there are two parts. ऐसे देखने जाओ तो आप में 200 parts हैं.
Right.
When you're at home, you're a parent or a child or a spouse or whatever. When you're on set, you're a professional, you're the lead actor, or you're the sister of this one, that one. So when there's so many roles that you're playing, it's not possible to have that personal and professional bifurcation, because who you are as a professional and the quality of work that you do is also coming from the person you are.
Right.
So everybody's personality in a character is defining their work. So if I'm feeling a certain way today, that will reflect in the kind of work that I'm doing. It's not possible for me to, yes, I can shift my focus to what I'm doing, but I will always carry my inner, soul, spirit, mind, emotions, or whatever you say, to my work. So I don't think there is
that is
personal
not possible.
Switch on and switch off. Switch on का मतलब यही है कि मतलब उसको इतना I think हमने इतना black or white में बता दिया है कि switch on switch off actor है, या switch on करना है switch off करना पड़ता है. I think what they mean by that is when you're doing your work, of course you shift your focus to what you're doing. That's all. I think all of us do that.
Absolutely.
Every day you are doing that, So yeah.
But 90s, the love for 90s, I feel that I saw the trailer, I saw the songs, and I'm sort of going back in that period. Just that
it has a lot of nostalgia. Yeah.
If there is one film from the 90s that perhaps you would like to binge watch, or you do, or just one thing from the 90s that you miss today that you think should come back in some way. Like I feel that whole number one series of films, or that comedy, the writing of that comedy, like BV number one, Saajan Chale Sasural.
Actually, the number one series started with one of my films. I don't think many people know this. This is trivia. So my first film was a Telugu film called Coolie Number One.
Oh yes.
Right? That was in 1990.
Correct. Even before all these.
Yeah. So when I was shooting for Saajan Chale Sasural in Hyderabad, David came to my room and there was a video cassette of my film Coolie Number One kept there. So he took it and said, Coolie Number One. अरे ज़बरदस्त टाइटल है यार, बहुत मस्त है. तो I said, yeah, मेरी फिल्म है. So he took that title from there. Then he made Coolie number 1, BB number 1, Hero number 1. So it was
Wow. So
So-
now we know the real story.
the source.
The source of the number one series.
Yeah, and fortunately then I did BB number 1. So yeah.
But you know, this also reminds me that when I watched Crew, I realized that when it comes to comedy, your timing is impeccable and how much fun you have. You just have a go at it.
Yeah,
Like,
I love laughing and I love people who have a sense of humor. And हमारे घर में ऐसे लोगों को एंट्री नहीं है जिनका सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर नहीं है. हमारी लड़कियां या लड़के जब शादी करते हैं तो पहले पूछते हैं सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर है कि नहीं सामने वाले को.
most important. Colin.
मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट, मत प्लीज मत करना अदरवाइज.
So would it be right to say that, I mean, give her more, I mean, I personally feel that give her more comedy films or give her more interesting characters that lend to something that is lighter or humor at life. Like in all your films, even in the 90s, the titles that we've taken names of, so much fun to just watch what your character does. Or
Yeah,
in
but
Crew.
I also feel that comedy or comic films or light-hearted movies are not really the norm in any era. Even in the 90s, if you see, the comedy के ऐसा मतलब you
Used
had
to come and
bursts
go,
of
yeah.
comedy, but they were more like drama or action or whatever. Out and out comedy films का genre इतना common नहीं है मुझे लगता है, you know. And for especially for women, I don't think there are a lot of roles written like that or scripts written like that where, you know, women are doing so much like funny stuff or hilarious stuff. So
Like I recently watched Chalbaz the other day, and I keep watching Chalbaz, and I'm just thinking that anybody who was on set, just watching her,
yeah,
must be so lucky just to get a glimpse of that talent.
Yeah.
She's so good, and the writing
amazing.
is so good.
She's just amazing, the best.
I quickly want to do a Damdar series with you because the film has the word Dam. I'm going to throw titles at you, your films, and I want to ask you if there's one memory you could lock in a box about these films and keep. Just one, huh?
No.
Impromptu. What would it be? Chalo, let's go. Chandni Bar.
Madhur's comedy,
Okay. Makbul.
heavy.
Okay. Machis.
Acha, you want me to elaborate on the
Yeah, you
memory?
could elaborate, will
Oh,
be
sorry,
nice,
sorry.
because-
Yeah. I thought wo.
So Chandni Bar.
Okay, Chandni Bar. My strongest memory is about Madhur cracking the most hilarious jokes on set. And even though people think that Chandni Bar was this really dark and heavy film, the atmosphere of shooting was completely crazy funny because of Madhur's one-liners. If you know Madhur, you
Yeah,
know
yeah,
his
of course.
one-liners. Yeah, so that's my strongest memory.
Sajan Chale Sasural.
Sajan Chale Sasural. I can only think of Govinda and David and the way they work and the way Govinda can take a scene from here to an unimaginable place where even the director nor his co-actors can really predict. That's the most amazing and brilliant thing about Govinda, and I have really just been mesmerized looking at him perform in front of the camera.
He's just something else.
He's something else.
Vijay Path.
Vijay Path. So Vijay Path, I had torn a ligament in my foot.
What?
Yeah.
And you
before-
danced.
Yeah.
This was, you were dancing with your torn ligament.
Yeah. And
On
I had
Ruk
to
Ruk
go
Ruk.
the next day to this outdoor. We shot all the songs, 4 songs in that outdoor in Karnataka. So I remember shooting with a torn ligament. That's my memory. Yeah.
Oh God. Chini Kam.
Mr. Bachchan and London. Actually, I remember right here in Sun and Sand, in the restaurant, was the first time that Balki narrated the script to me.
Wow.
Yeah, whenever I pass this restaurant, I always look at that table and say, this is where I heard Chini Kam for the first time.
Because what a special film.
It
You
was.
keep rewatching that and
Yeah.
it's so special.
And for many people, I think
Yeah.
it's one of their favorites. you know.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And Auron Mein Kahan Dam Tha. Coming to this experience.
What I remember most is shooting on Marine Drive, because I also feel for Neeraj, locations form a very big part of the storytelling.
Hmm.
You know, there is a certain there's a reason there is a, I think Marine Drive and Mumbai, that skyline is really like a character in Auro Mein Kaha Dum Tha. That's where we shot most of the scenes. Yeah.
I'm absolutely riveted and I can't wait to watch Auro Mein Kaha Dum Tha,
Thank
simply
you.
because I have also been championing for you and Ajay to finally star opposite each other. For once, you're not playing a character who comes into the track and then so here we get to actually watch you, and it's nostalgia. It's
I know.
everything for everyone from every generation.
Also, the story is about nostalgia. It's not just because Ajay and I are doing it. There is nostalgia for audiences, but this story is also about talking about nostalgia plays a big part in Auro Mein Kaha Dum Tha. It's about past. It's about loss. It's about so many things that you could experience when you are in love with somebody.
Yeah, we need that. We need a little bit more of love in our lives right now.
Yeah.
We can
Intensity at least.
at least intensity. On that note, thank you so much
Thank you.
for this chat. Can't wait to watch this.